Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have partnered up with FabFitFun to unbox this summer editor's box. Now I did get the regular summer box that everybody was raving about and I loved it, but it actually sold out so fast that I couldn't even get a video up on it. So I now have the editor's box, which I have not opened, but I've heard amazing things about it. It's very, very similar to the normal seasonal boxes, but these are all products that the editors love, the members especially loved, and it's worth over $250. So like I said, I have no idea what's in it, but we are going to unbox this all together and we'll see what's inside. I have been getting FabFitFun boxes regularly now for quite a while, and again, I love it. It's basically full of full-size fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products, and it does come out 4 times per year. So there's the winter, spring, summer, and fall, and then if you do order in between the seasons, that's when you get this editor's box. Each box is $49.99, but if you do use my code, which is Shay10, then you can save $10 off your first box. FabFitFun also lets you customize your boxes now, so that's a little bit different now, so that's really cool. You can kind of pick and choose what you get in your box sometimes, but for this one, like I said, I have no idea what's in it. The last time I did this video, I actually unboxed it long before I did the video, and I kind of used the products throughout, but I was just in Vegas, so I didn't have time to look at the products and use the products for a while, so this is going to be a genuine unboxing, which is always really fun. So let's just get started. I'm going to go ahead and open this box. So when you open it, it comes just like this. It always comes with this newspaper in here, which actually explains all of the products that you get and how you can use them, what they're worth, and everything. So I actually really like to read this. And everything is displayed so pretty. So let's just dive in. So the first thing that I see is a mineral hand cream. It's a huge full size. See, that's what I mean. Like everything in here is completely full size. So this is Ahava, and like I said, it's a mineral hand cream, and it's worth $33, and it says experience the wonders of the Dead Sea. So it's a very mineral rich hand cream. So let's just go ahead and take a little sniff and see. It smells good. It's not fruity. It's very like lotiony. That sounds terrible. I'm just personally not a fan of like the fake smell, and this just doesn't smell fake. Like it just smells good, if that makes sense in any way, like a natural good smell. And it does say paraben free, so that is a plus for me. So the next thing that I pulled out here is a necklace. It's a silver necklace. It's called 8 Other Reasons. And when I look at this, it says it's worth $48, and it's called the Landon Lariat. It's actually a pre-layered piece that's adjustable, and you can kind of change it up. So that actually reminds me of the necklaces that I love. I always talk about, you know, like my Shay necklace. So this is very intriguing to me because I think it sounds pretty similar. All right, so I'm gonna put it on real quick because it actually kind of goes with what I'm wearing. I'm gonna take my other necklace off. Like this is my style. I mean, clearly it's my style. You guys know this is totally my style. I really like it. So yeah, this is a win. This is a keeper for sure. I really, really like this. So the next thing I have here, I think, I don't know for sure, but I'm pretty sure this is the, a makeup case, and I did see other people get this in their summer box. I personally didn't. I actually got the beach towel, so this is perfect. Yeah, this is a really nice little like makeup case, which honestly would have been great for when I went to Vegas just a couple days ago. So here's what it looks like zipped up, and when I actually saw other people with it, they opened it like this, and you can actually stick your makeup brushes flat in here. So when I saw that, I thought that looked really, really cool. And when I look at this card here, it does say it's valued at $58. So this is definitely something that I will use for sure. So the next thing that I pulled out here is this Foreo Luna face cleanser. This thing was what everybody raved about with the summer box, and I did get it in my summer box. I actually haven't even used it yet because at first I was like, I don't know, this would be like such a good like little giveaway thing because people loved it so much. I thought that'd like really draw people in, but now that I have another one, I am going to actually use it. If you guys have this thing, just like comment down below. Like I really am curious like if you like it. It is valued at $89, like legit $89. You can buy different versions of this at Sephora, and I've just heard really great things. So it's kind of like a revolutionary device. It says it's actually powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile. And then that's kind of sent to a Foreo app on your phone. So it like actually analyzes your skin and washes your face and cleanses your face based on your skin type and how it analyzes. I'm not even sure how it really works, but like I said, everybody's been raving about it. So this is definitely a great choice because I think this is something that you can choose to have in your box. Okay, the next thing is, let's see, a body wash infused buffer. So I don't know what that is. Oh. So here, it's like a little scrubby thing. Let's see what it says. It says it's valued at $16, but it's like a body wash infused scrubber. Did I just say that? Okay, so I just opened this and it's like really cool. It's like, you can tell it's like saturated. It's not wet, but like you can tell there's product in it, but yet it still feels exfoliating. Like it seriously just makes me want to go take a shower and just like lather myself up. And it definitely smells really good too. But yeah, this is interesting. I've like never seen anything like this before. The next two things are actually both cleansers. This one is a Korres cleanser and this is Whish. This is paraben, sulfate, pro-chemical, cruelty-free. This is like just a very, very, very healthy body wash. I'm always kind of rotating those in my shower. And then I just personally love this brand. It's Korres. It definitely smells good. Not fruity. Again, I feel like I'm winning in the fact that like there's nothing fruity in here. I know some people like that's like literally what they go for. I personally am not. Again, full size, this is valued at $24 and this is valued at $18.50. I would say if I had to pick between the two, I'd go with this one first, but I also love this brand like so much and I do like the scent of this one as well, but both will get used. Both I will just put in my shower and kind of rotate them out here and there. And the last thing that I got in this particular box is a repeat for me because I did get this in a couple boxes back. And like I said, this is a box that is kind of like the best of the best. So if you've never had a box before, the editor's box would be great because you're not going to get repeat items. But since I do get the regular seasonal boxes, I do already have this. So I actually am, I'll show it to you, but I am just gonna put this aside and I'm totally going to give this away. This was actually the collaboration palette with Alexandria Garza and it seriously is very pigmented. And I'm not, I truly am not just saying that, but there's a lot of like reds, oranges, pinks and nudes. The nudes are so pigmented. Those are usually the ones that I wear the very most. I also love the pinks and the oranges for summer. If you're a red person, that's on there too. I feel like I don't really reach for the red, but like the more neutral nudie colors and the pinks I reach for all the time actually. It's very easy to apply with your finger and then I also, believe it or not, do use the little brush that it comes with. And it says this is valued at $42. And if you notice here, the palette does have plastic on it. I'm just, like I said, I'm keeping it on there. So that is everything in my box. Let me just quickly count like how many things I got. So I got the necklace, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I definitely am very happy with this box. Like I said, a few things I will just be kind of putting aside to do in like a giveaway. But overall, I love how everything is full size. I love how everything is very healthy. There's always really good ingredients. So I really do appreciate that about the products they choose to put in the box. So like I said, if you are interested in FabFitFun boxes, then you can use my code SHAY10 to save $10 on your first box. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. It really is like a little Christmas present or birthday present that comes around every few months. So I just really enjoy it. And that's kind of why I like to do these videos because I know some people really like to watch first and kind of see what's inside and what they might get. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. But otherwise, I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye. Been loving everything you